Hello, everybody. My name is Samir Bata. I'm the lead facilitator for the upcoming program, Partnering for Success, that will be held in Ras Al Khaimah, UAE. The purpose of this video is to share with you how you can fill in the behavioral styles assessment that you will be receiving by email. You will get an email that looks like this. If I open the screen, you will see that you will receive this email. Hello, dear participant. It gives us great pleasure working with you. June 6th to the 9th on the Partnering for Success program in Ras Al Khaimah. In preparation for this meeting, there will be an important session on behavioral styles. In order to understand your style and know how to deal with the different styles, you are kindly requested to fill in the questionnaire according to the instructions attached to the link below. Please fill in the questionnaire as per the instructions, then print the score graph on the last sheet and bring it with you to the class. Then we can explain what does it mean, and we will tell you about your style and how to deal with other style. We will be excited actually to share with you lots of information. Click the Click Me button there. So if you click on this button, an Excel sheet will be downloaded, and this will lead you to the next part. So once you click on the button, you will see a sheet that looks like this, a worksheet that looks like this. It has 3 worksheets: instructions, questionnaire, and scoring style chart. Now let's start with the instructions sheet. This survey is designed to determine how you usually interact with others in an everyday situation. And the most important thing when you want to fill the questionnaire is to get a clear description of how you see yourself and see others. And the most important thing here is to fill in based on your answers on how you actually behave, not on how you think you should behave. How you actually behave, not on how you think you should behave. You will have 18 pairs of statements. Statement 1, you have A and B. So you need to select A or B. And you need to distribute 3 points between the two alternatives. I will show you examples in a minute. Okay? Now, the key is if A is more characteristic than B and B is not a characteristic of you, you need to give 3 points to A and 0 points to B. And B is not a characteristic of you. If A is more characteristic than B, then you can write 2 because it is more next to A and 1 next to B. So the most important thing is to distribute 3 points amongst the two alternatives. If B is more characteristic than A, then write 2 next to B and 1 next to A. If B is very characteristic of you and A is uncharacteristic of you, write 3 next to B and 0 next to A. Be sure that the numbers that you assign to each pair of statements add up to 3. Let me show you some examples. And I will show you the questionnaire. The questionnaire looks like this. 1, you have 1A and 1B. In 2, you have 2A and 2B, and so on. You will have around 18 double statements. Let me go back to the instruction and give you the example. In this example, here I have A is more characteristic of me than B, so I give 2 to A and 1 to B. And you will see there, it gives me a true sign. Why? Because the total should be 3. The wrong example, if I fill 3 and 1 and the total here is 4, it's not 3. So what you will see is that total should be 3. It gives you the sign that the total should be 3. So you need to look at how did you score each one of those pairs. Let's go to the questionnaire. Questionnaire, as I said, it has 18 double statements, or each one has A and B. In one, you have one A and one B. Let me give you an example how to fill it, and 0 there. As I told you, if I do the wrong scoring, let's say I put 3 here and 1 there, then the total should be 3. So I need to look at it in a different way. Maybe. Let's go and complete everything. Then you will have the sign. After that, once you complete everything, the 18 ones you will have. Let me fast forward so you will have an idea of what I'm speaking about. This way we completed all the questionnaire answers, and the scoring chart will tell us how much did we score on the 4, let's say, characteristics. So what I will be doing is I will print this, and the minute you print it, it will show this graph. Print it and bring it with you in the class as we said, then we can explain everything. I'm really excited with my team to work with all of you. Goodbye.